In this Quick Practice Better tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Google Tag Manager code to practice better, so you can start tracking important data on your platform in no time. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also be sharing some alternatives that might actually be better for this goal. First, let's jump right in. You'll need to have your Google Tag Manager account already set up. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and set up an account on Google Tag Manager. Once that's ready, you'll be able to get the tracking code needed for Practice Better. Now, let's go to your Practice Better dashboard. From here, head over to Settings, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Click on Settings, and then find the Advanced Settings tab. This is where you can add third-party tracking scripts like Google Tag Manager. Next thing, you'll see a section called Custom Code. This is the area where you will paste the Google Tag Manager code. Open your Google Tag Manager account, grab the snippet of code that's provided, and copy it. You'll find a code in your Google Tag Manager dashboard under the Install Google Tag Manager section. Once that's copied, go back to your Practice Better dashboard, paste the code into the Custom Code section, and save your settings. Simple as that. Now, here's a critical point. Google Tag Manager can be powerful, but it's not without its limitations. For instance, Practice Better's Custom Code section might not allow for full integration with all types of tags, so you might encounter some difficulties with more complex setups. This could lead to data not being tracked correctly or some tags not firing at all. It's worth noting that this isn't a fault of Google Tag Manager, but rather a limitation in the integration between the two platforms. The fourth thing to consider is testing your setup. After saving the custom code, it's a good idea to test that everything is working as expected. Google Tag Manager offers a preview mode, so you can check that your tags are firing correctly. You don't want to miss out on important data collection, so this step is crucial. But here's the thing, you might not be getting all the data or even the most accurate tracking with Practice Better, especially for those looking for deep analytics. I'll be honest, Practice Better is great for client management, but when it comes to advanced tracking and analytics, it's not the most robust solution. That's why I'm going to recommend an alternative in just a moment. But before we get to that, let's quickly recap. Adding the Google Tag Manager code to Practice Better is straightforward if you know where to look, but be prepared for potential limitations in advanced tracking. And now, here's the kicker. If you're looking for a platform that offers more flexibility and better options for tracking, I've got you covered. I've included a link below for an exclusive and extended free trial to a competitor that does a much better job when it comes to comprehensive analytics and tag management without the hassle. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Go ahead and check it out and start getting the most accurate data with a platform that's tailored for your needs. Trust me, you'll thank me later.